Now, when we talk about median, so I'll explain you median with the help of two cases. One is a case of odd numbers. Let's say x1, x2, x3, x4, and xy are 5 odd numbers. So if we have odd number of observations, then it is very clearly visible that median is this third observation. Now, if I go back and if I try to create a formula for this third observation, then I can say that 3 I have obtained by doing 5 plus 1 by 2. Total number of observations were 5. So I did 5 plus 1 by 2, and that is how I got third observation. So if I want to generalize, I can say that when the number of terms are odd, when n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is applicable when it is odd. Now, if I go to another case where we have even observations, so I'll consider one more time the same example, but with even number of terms. So there are 6 terms now. So the total number of observations are even. So it is clearly visible here also that the third and the fourth term, third observation and the fourth observation are the middle terms. Okay, how do we find the middle terms? So in your lower grade, you have learned that we just keep on cancelling one from the front, one from the back, and then we reach at the center. So when there are even number of terms, then we reach at 2 terms. Okay, now how we would have obtained third and fourth from 6? So third is obtained by doing 6 by 2. 6 by 2th observation, and fourth is obtained by doing 6 by 2 plus 1th observation. Then we have to add them and we have to take their mean. So if I want to generalize it for nth observation, then we will do median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, and that will be divided by 2. There is a very common misconception. Student consider n plus 1 by 2 similar to n by 2 plus 1. They are different. Okay, in n plus 1 by 2, we are doing n plus 1 and then we are dividing that by 2. While in n by 2 plus 1, first we are doing n by 2 and then we are adding 1 to that. Okay, so when we are dealing with even number of observations, then this is the formula for median. And when we are dealing with odd number of observations, then this is the formula for median. Based on this, when you will attempt the question, you will definitely get it.